Disabling vSAN is a pretty straightforward process. When disabling a vSAN cluster, all virtual machines located on that vSAN data store become inaccessible. If you intend to use virtual machines while vSAN is disabled, be sure to migrate the virtual machines to another data store before disabling the vSAN cluster. Start by opening the vSphere client. Select Host and Clusters, then select the cluster on which you want to disable vSAN, and ensure that all the VMs in the cluster are powered off. Click Configure. Under vSAN, click Services, and then click the Turn Off vSAN button. Read the advisory that any powered-on virtual machines will be inaccessible until vSAN is re-enabled. For more details, check out Knowledge Base article 2058322.